Welcome back to Bike Max, the place where passion meets performance. If you're into bikes, engines, and the thrill of the open road, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest reviews and updates in the world of motorcycles. Alright, today we're diving into a bike that's been making waves in the adventure touring segment. The 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 1050XT. If you're an adventurer at heart or someone who loves blending off-road capability with highway comfort, this one's for you. Let's buckle up and get started. The V-Strom lineup has always been Suzuki's answer to adventure riders looking for reliability, versatility, and performance without breaking the bank. The 2025 V-Strom 1050XT takes all those boxes and checks them twice, delivering a machine that's not only capable, but also stylish, efficient, and surprisingly high-tech for its price point. Let's start with its design. One glance at the V-Strom 1050XT and you'll know it means business. Suzuki has leaned into its adventure DNA with a rugged yet sleek profile. The beak-style front end, a signature feature, gives it that distinctive ADV look while improving aerodynamics. The 2025 model comes with refreshed colors and graphics. Suzuki has played with earthy tones and bold accents this year, and let me tell you, they absolutely nailed it. It's a bike that looks equally at home parked in front of a cafe as it does tearing through a mountain trail. It's responsive, smooth, and has a power curve that's predictable yet exhilarating. Whether you're cruising down the highway or climbing steep off-road trails, the V-twin delivers the perfect balance of power and control. Suzuki has also updated the exhaust system to meet stricter emission standards without sacrificing performance. Plus, the engine's fuel economy is impressive for a bike in this category. Riders can expect around 50 miles per gallon, making it a solid choice for long-distance adventures. The 6.5-inch TFT display is a game-changer. It's bright, crisp, and packed with information. You can toggle through various settings, navigation, and even smartphone connectivity using the intuitive handlebar controls. Bluetooth integration means you can take calls, listen to music, or follow GPS directions without taking your hands off the handlebars. Suzuki has also included a bidirectional quick shifter, making gear changes smooth and effortless. It's a small detail, but trust me, it makes a huge difference when you're switching between highway and trail riding. Adventure touring bikes are designed for long hours in the saddle, and the V-Strom 1050XT excels in this department. Speaking of luggage, the 1050XT comes equipped with sturdy mounting points for panniers and a top box. Suzuki offers a range of accessories including aluminum cases, heated grips, and auxiliary lights to make your adventures even more epic. Ground clearance is generous at 7.5 inches, and the bike is equipped with a skid plate to protect the engine from rocks and debris. Suzuki has also included geometric contracting control settings specifically for off-road riding, ensuring you can conquer dirt trails and loose gravel with ease. The Bridgestone Adventure tires offer excellent grip, and if you're planning to tackle extreme trails, the bike is compatible with more aggressive knobby tires. With its blend of modern tech, robust performance, and practical design, the V-Strom 1050XT continues to be a leader in the adventure touring segment. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 1050XT. What do you think? Is this the ultimate adventure bike for 2025? Let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all things two wheels. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep chasing the horizon.